Students, again as usual we are going to start online class, and the class is the 8th and the biology, and the name of the chapter is, dear students, for today online class is that microorganism and friends or foes. So there are two aspects in this chapter, the friends or foes. So dear students, we have read about the friends. When there is the useful activity of the bacteria, these are called the friends. When the bacteria or pathogens, they causes the different diseases, they can harm the plants as well as the animals, they are known as to be the foes. So dear students, the how they are the foes. So what are the work and activities of the bacteria, viruses and pathogens that disturb us, our daily life, and how they damage our the assets. So first, today's the dear students, the topics is are the preservation of the food. Means our food are also badly affected by the bacteria and the viruses, protozoa and fungi. So dear students, so how the foods are preserved and what is the preservation of the food? When the food are free from the microbes, their flavor, their taste are not damaged or destroyed. So these are called the preservation of the foods. So preservation is made from the preserve word. Preserve word से बना है. To this means that to make the food safe from the different pathogens या different microbes. These are called the preservation of the foods. So again, after the topic is the different methods of preserving food. So there is not only one limited confined the methods to preserve the foods. There are different methods since time immemorial when the people are using in our country to preserve the foods. So dear students, what are the different methods to preserve the food? First and foremost is the drying. It is the very old methods to preserve the foods from the microorganism. So dear students, then how this drying preserve the foods? The first and foremost, dear student, we should think about that. The water is the life supporting natural resources. It is also present in our body. It is also present into the microorganism. So dear students, the some food items, they are dried into the suns. So the drying reduce the water content present into the food items, and they can not have the growth of the microbes, because the microbes also needs the water. So different the foods like the apple, pineapples and the different fruits, these all are also being preserved by the drying methods. And when we dry the food, it is very easy to carry the foods. This is very easy to portable हो जाता है. And so this is the drying method. The mango as well as the pickles are also dried in the sun. So second method is the preservation by using salt and sugar. Dear students, so different food items like jams, the pickles, the mangoes, these are also used salt and sugar. Then what salt and sugar do? Salt and sugar they reduce the water content present into the food item. फूड आइटम में जो वाटर कंटेंट्स होता है उसको क्या कर देता है, दैट रिड्यूसेस और रिड्यूस कर देता है, एंड आवर फूड आर फ्री फ्रॉम the microbes. It also retards the microbe sections. And third topic is the preserving using acetic acid. Dear students, acetic acid is a chemical compound, CH3C double bond OOH. Acetic acid. When we use the acetic acid into the food, then the foods are preserved. Like the vinegar, you know very well कि vinegar का use होता है. Vinegar, it is a kind of acetic acid. Vinegar is used to make the ये pickles mango का जो बनाया जाता है, different these are also used by the vinegar. So vinegar has the power to kill the microbes and destroy the microbes. So our food are preserved by using the acetic acid. And some beverage, carbonated beverage, in that it is also used like the citric acid as well as the phosphoric acid. So preserving by using acetic acid and different acids like the acetic acid, citric acid and others. So preserving using chemical preservatives. So chemical preservatives में आपको ये आएगा if we are, there are so many chemicals that are used to preserve the food. So the first is the sodium benzoate, sodium benzoate, sodium benzoate, benzoate, and second is the potassium, potassium meta bisulfite, meta bisulfite. So these are the chemicals. When it is used as a preservative chemicals, then they retards the growth of the microorganism. So dear students, another topic is heat and the cold treatment. So it is the very important when we boil or put the food into the heat, then the microbes are there retarded. And the second thing is that cold. Cold is also most important, that low temperature is not suitable for the growth of the microorganism. So dear students, microbes are being killed when they are put into the cold situations. So our food are preserved. So pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process in which that milk are boiled below the 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degree Fahrenheit, and after that again first they are heated and after they are cooled and they are packaged. So the microbes are being killed by the pasteurization process. Another topic is the using acetic acid. We have also discussed, we are repeating here. So another topic is the canning. Canning, what is the canning? Canning is the method in which the food items first they are made, जब बना ली जाती है, they are put into the can, and after that the can, ये जो can होता है, can are being heated, उसको heat कर दी जाती है. So microbes are being killed and the can is fully sterilized. So these are the canning process. Microbes are killed. And freezing. Freezing means that the food are kept below the freezing points. So microbes are being killed. So dear students, now we will discuss the some keywords: antibiotics, antibodies, bioaugmentation, biogeochemical cycles, the communicable disease, fermentations, germs and pathogens, immunity or microbiology, and pasteurization, rancid क्या है, toxins क्या है, vaccines. So these all topics we will discuss in this the session of online class. Dear students, you have listened and watched this video. Thank you for have a nice day. So we will continue this all in another video topics in another video. Thank you very much.